I was driving down the road yesterday and again last week. Previously to yesterday, last week. Come on. Don't screw with my speech pattern. And I saw a billboard that says Democrats, and it's got like 3 lines on it with boxes with check marks. And one of them says, support women's rights. Check. And the next one says, I think it says something like bringing jobs home or something. I'm not sure about that one. It didn't stand out. Check. Because this is a global economy. I mean, if we're all gonna fucking live together on the globe, well, you know, we have to figure out how to make it work at home so that the globe works, type of thing. I suppose. I don't know. Yeah. And the third one. Won't storm the Capitol. Check. And I looked at that and I said, you might be jumping to conclusions. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Everybody thinks that the Democrats are over there like that. Like they're not going to do anything. All you see are the people that are talking in front, trying to maintain a state of peace. And they seem nice and all that. And they probably are too nice or something, too caring. You know, sometimes you can care too much. There goes the rest of the fucking plan. Well, what we realize is that for us to have lived in this civilized state of peace, or as you might say, a civilized anger, it wouldn't have lasted as long as it is. Everybody's attacking each other, but nothing's fucking happening. It wouldn't have lasted as long as it did with just one angry side. Some of these people over with the Democrats, the Republicans are going, but you know what? The Democrats seem to be educated. They know how to stay quiet and calm. Ein Männlein steht im Walde ganz still und stumm. One little man stood in the forest, completely quiet and calm. You gotta realize, in order for it to have held this way for this long, those other guys that are leading, that act so angry against the two caring people, the guys that are acting angry over there trying to tell all their fucking people, you're the only ones, these people are pussies. You got people that are just rugged and fucking upset over there too. Everybody wants their own way. So, if you say, won't storm the Capitol, let's just see what happens. If these people, I have to tell you, these fucking people over there, if they start fucking with those people over there, thinking that they can just do it because their mind bent into believing that those people over there aren't fucking rugged and aggressive with their own mindsets, with their own way of wanting things to just fucking maintain for a while until we can figure a few more things out. You get those people, They want to tear it all down, burn books and everything else, shut down the computers, don't let anybody know what anybody fucking said. They're going to take us back into the Middle Ages. They're talking about witch hunts. I mean, they're going to take us back to a time when people believed there were witches. Who said there aren't? What self-serving witch would ever let it be known that it's a witch, a sorcerer, a warlock, brujeria, brujo, bruja, bruja-ha-ha. Big bruja, it's a big witch academy, a bunch of women fucking running around naked. What a bruja that would be, huh? Look it up. Anybody getting too excited about being able to overrun those people over there? They start fucking things too much when they get in there, because they will. We all take our turns, right? That's part of the process. And, oh, it's your turn. Those people say, oh, it's your turn. And these fucking people come and go, ah, we're the baddest of them all. Rah. Burning mailboxes and shit. Federal offense. For you to say Democrats, check, won't storm the Capitol. I'm almost said hoping. I'm going to say it the way I was going to say it, and you can interpret it the way you want. I'm hoping we never see the day when these people fucking storm. They won't storm the Capitol. They're too smart for that. They're quiet and calm. You look at a crow, why does it eat a dead animal? Because it's easier. You don't have to risk getting hurt so bad physically. Get the job done. And you move through it and watch everybody become the things they wouldn't want to eat. And these people, they're just running into a goddamn furnace looking for a piece of coal that might have a diamond in it.